Welcome to the cybersecurity. Stay secure.
and keep hacking.
Welcome back, and we are continuing with our general skills. And there is one more challenge with involves Git, and that is time machine worth of 50 points. So today we will be covering that. So we can download the challenge from here and head to the that message.txt. This is what I was working on, but I need to look at my commit history. First of all, let's check git log and easily in the log file itself they have stored the flag. If you found this video useful, give it a like. And don't forget, subscribing to this channel would be freaking awesome. Thanks again. See you in the next video.